What's up, everybody? Your boy, Mr. Dynamics of X, the one and only Mr. Too Good. Man, I'm back with another one. Guys, there's something that I want us to discuss on GBP USD. I remember, I think on the previous one, I said the market is gonna push up because what we saw on on a monthly time frame, right? But when I sit down with myself and I look at the market, I saw something different, guys. Right. So now I'll just explain it. Right. So we have this thing, guys, that I want us to talk about. Firstly, we have manipulation of the market, where the market manipulates the market makers on on reversals and channels. We all know this one is not it's not a secret thing, but we all know that when a market touch like when the market touches, they say one, two, three, it goes up. Then the third touch, it must what? It must go down. They say if it's an uptrend, it must go down. Something common. Every trader knows that. Every forex trader knows that. So the market makers, they know that every trader is waiting for what? For a dead touch. So in order for them to win, right, what they're going to do, they're going to push the market and manipulate you on the dead touch. And then what they're going to do, they're going to bring back the market in because, okay, let me put it like this. It needs a sense of this thing. Find that it's the first touch, second touch, and then on the third touch, you find that maybe they just manipulate you. Maybe they push it down a little bit and then they push it up like impulsively. And then you're gonna think the market is gonna what? Right? It's gonna continue to be an uptrend. But actually they're just manipulating you and the market's gonna come back in, retest this level and continue to move on. And so on GBP USD, guys, we got manipulated. Do you understand? I didn't see that coming, but we got manipulated. So let me explain it here. Yeah. So initially we had this reversal pattern going up, which is this one. Oh, sorry. There's something that we need to be careful about. How did you, yeah, get this? Let's put it in the right manner. Maybe it's here, and then some, yeah, because yeah, something like this. At multiple touches, the first touch, second touch, third touch, went down, then pushed up like this, right? And then we have this point here. And then this is what I want to explain. You see here, guys, this is a high volume area. It's a strong area, right? This is where the bears, meaning the sellers, uh, took control and it went down like this. Do you understand? Meaning, in other words, here, it's where it's an area, it's an area of sellers. It's where the bears get powerful or get power to push the market down. Do you understand? So if you find something like this, meaning the market when it approaches this area, right, it must push back again. Do you understand? Because it's an area of what? Of bears, of sellers. Do you understand? The market pushed down so much, meaning if it comes back here, it must push down so much. So what it did here, guys, the market pushed just a little to take out some for there are other people, who entered the market just to take out their, the big boys. The big boys on the market just to take out their stop losses. And then now the market is showing what? It's showing a bearish movement that no, I'm gonna go back. So this is how are we gonna take this trade? How are we gonna take this trade? That's the question. Do you understand? How are we going to take this trade? Because even here, we can say the market we got manipulated and just can the market just coming back to retest this level and actually continue to push up like this. It's possible. It's very, very possible, right? But I want to give you many ways. All right, understand? So what we can do, we can just wait for the market to actually push into this zone. Because once the market push in, it must come back to retest this level and then we're going down. There's no way that might manipulate us in that area. So let's identify this like this. So what we might do here, what we need to do is wait for the market. You understand? Wait for the market to fully push down. It's a daily, it's a weekly time frame. It's a week, yeah, it's a time frame. Yeah. If the market push down like this on a week for next week, push down, we can just let go. If you are, you understand, you are like me, just gonna let it go and not trade it. Right? If in this manner and wait for it to break in fully, and then I'm gonna wait for a retest and then take it for the next few months or few weeks. Right. But there's another thing here. Right. There's another thing here that confirms that we're going down. So let's remove this one. I've explained this one, guys. Right. Meaning here it's a missed double top. It's a missed double. The market actually rejected in this point to go down. It's a missed double top. Do you understand? So there's another thing that I want to show you that the market we got manipulated at that time. So let's try to remove this. Let's remove it completely. Remember, I always tell you, my people, that when the market approaches a strong zone like this, you must check how it's approaching that area. And in this manner, the market was approaching this area with a reversal pattern. Guys, you can go and backtest this thing. It's real. When the market approaches this area like this, with a strong area, the market must what? Must reverse. So this is what we saw. You understand? And then because the market pushed like this impulsively, we panicked. And say, no, the market is changing. No, I would say, guys, I panicked as a mentor. You learn every day in the market. So I panicked. I say, no, the market is changing direction. Forgetting what? That the touch is mostly manipulated. I was wrong, guys. I would like to apologize. Very, very, very apologize. Sincerely, I'm apologizing to you guys. Right. But then the market can, on Monday, can just push up. But I'm telling you about my strategy. My strategy says when the market approaches a strong area with a reversal, the market must respect that because this is a strong area. Also, we have what? A strong area, which is the first touch, the second touch, and the third touch. But both we got manipulated because the market didn't actually reject at the same point. Do you understand? But either way, we call it what? A missed double top, and we call it what? A manipulated dead touch. But either way, the market must respect it and push down. So now we're going to focus on this. You understand? The market will push up and commit 9% rule. Right. So let's go to, I want to show you something. How are we going to take this one? Right. On Monday, market's opening. As you can see, guys, I know some people, got lost because, so that's why I want to fix it. So the market broke this level very, very impulsively, and then it decided to push up again. And then we thought it's going to continue to push up, but it was actually, the touch was manipulated. So the market broke in. So because, guys, we have this strong area, which is this one. This is how we're going to take the market. Just identify it well. We have this strong area going down. So since the market is broke into this area, right, the market made a dead touch and then it broke into the strong zone, which is this one. So what we're going to be waiting for the market to push maybe a little bit and then come back and retest. We're waiting for a retest to this area, and then we're going to take a long slide. And then, guys, you're going to recover the money that was taken out from this trade. Do you understand? This is how it is. It makes sense now, guys. It makes sense? We have the first touch, second touch, we got the third touch that got manipulated, but doesn't mean we are going up. Actually, we are going down. But how we're going to take the trade? Let's go to H4. Let's go to H4. Let's see here. Oh, so something else. Also, I want to show you something. Yes. So the market broke out the strong area, came back to retest it, and then it went up, and then came back again, rejected, and then came back in and then retested. We're supposed to take it here because I always say when the market breaks in to a strong zone or a strong trend line, the market must break in and come back to retest the strong, like I showed you on the first example, and then the market is pushing down. So our second entry is gonna be at this point. Gonna be at this point. So guys, we're just gonna identify this area here. This one is our strong zone. You understand? And also the market is actually retesting this level. So let's go to H1 and see what's happening. So we might, if you, yeah, but I don't feel like it touched completely. All right, I don't feel like it touched completely, but you can take it from here. Monday, just put your stop loss above this area. If it happens to push up, just to retest the zone a little bit, but you can take it from here and then you go down. You can see the market with a confirmation here that we are going down because it created what? See here, it created a head and shoulder. And I said head and shoulder is going down. So this is gonna be one entry, and then we're gonna be pushing down. I would like to apologize, guys, for my analysis next week, or last week, yeah, last week analysis. I think it's on GBP USD, right? So I'm fixing my mistakes on this one. We created a head and shoulder, and then now it's going down. That's a confirmation, and now we broke into the strong zone here. So we expect the market to go down from this area. You understand? So this is what we have on Euro USD. So be careful. So this area the market must give us. So let me just explain this area before I close the video. Let's say you couldn't take it here. The market might continue to push up, to push down like this, and then just in this area, just push up again to retest this level, right? And then continue to go down. Or if you couldn't take anything, you're scared around this area, just wait for it to push out, break, and then you're gonna get a retest, and then you continue with the movement. But Euro, GBP USD, it's a sell, guys. Head and shoulder confirmation. Now we're going down inside the strong area. We're on a retest here. You can take it here, wait for it to break, and also take it here. Right. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Your boy, Mr. Dynamics FX. God bless you.